Welcome to this video on applying Google Sheets to read graphs and understand the truth within data, along with a guide to decoding data fraud and reading the cost of living index. Raw data can be confusing, but visualizations create understanding. The human brain processes visual information faster than text. Graphs are the only tool to convert complex cost of living numbers into understandable insights in just 3 seconds. Basic tools include the line chart, suitable for tracking trends over time, and the bar chart, ideal for comparing sizes or quantities. The pie chart is best for showing parts to whole from 100%, but avoid using more than 5 to 6 slices to maintain readability. Consider using a stacked bar chart instead. Pitfall 1 is the truncated graph, a technique used by media to cause alarm. Not starting the y-axis at 0 exaggerates differences beyond reality. The 2% increase can look like a massive spike on a truncated graph. Pitfall 2 is cherry picking, presenting only a segment of the graph that supports a personal belief or narrative, intentionally ignoring the overall trend. Pitfall 3 is confusing correlation with causation. Graphs moving in the same direction don't always mean one thing caused the other. For example, ice cream sales and drowning incidents may correlate due to a third variable, hot weather. Understand the CPI, an index measuring inflation and reflecting the cost of living. When the CPI graph rises, it means we need more money to buy the same amount of goods, reducing purchasing power. You versus inflation. Apply data to yourself. Compare a graph of your personal expenses with the national CPI. The point where your expenses exceed the CPI suggests you are experiencing a higher cost of living than the average. 3 common misconceptions include using line graphs for part-to-whole data, believing graphs can predict the future with 100% certainty, and thinking that not starting the y-axis at 0 is acceptable for emphasizing a trend. The golden rule of reading data: always ask questions. Graphs should tell the truth, not manipulate emotions. Before trusting any information, check the y-axis and look for hidden contexts or assumptions.